I am going to take you on a brief crypto journey that can change your life, and it's free. I'm going to teach you things you've never seen before. Let's go. I've been leverage trading crypto successfully for 8 years now. What you see on the screen in front of you right here is $164 Ethereum. We used to throw around Ethereums like they were nothing. Now I'm going to teach you how to get wealthy. No technical analysis, no staring at the screens, and an opportunity. Below this video is my email address, and you can email me and get a free 3-day pass into my world of legends. My Discord group has been together for about 8 years now, and I'll tell you, let me show you, there's no memes, there's nothing. It's raw leverage trading, money in minutes. So there's the daily trade updates. We'll get back to that. Let's start with real people making real money, real testimonials. Key part of my system is high leverage and protection. We call it anti-liquidation countermeasures. Nobody else will teach you this. No stop losses in high leverage. There's anti-liquidation. We come here to the testimonial room. These people are not prompted, they're not paid. You will meet them inside the group if you come and get your free 3-day pass. You will not be pressured to buy anything. We will welcome you. Everyone here is someone that I've trained. All the people in gold are legends. They have been trained by me. What are they doing? They are wreaking havoc over and over again. The ones in red are my admins.
TPW1231 said 22% short big. TPW1231 said 39% long idle. Sublime Driver said 115% long. BTC went my acupuncturist LOL Thai Oracle.
Yes, we call it the walkaway. These are new strategies. No longer do we stare at the screen. I can't even talk. Stare at the screen, stare at every tick. No. The walkaway method with anti-liquidation protection. It's all explained to you free. 27 seconds, he made 31%. Speak, Nash.
Nash28 said wow, 31% in 27 seconds. BTC long because I saw O to right when he posted and caught the velocity.
Yes, in the DTU. We're going to get to that. Daily trade update.
MR Rumford said 82% BTC long Tio.
And these people, you can come in, read this yourself. Okay? Now, look at this. This is amazing. The $3,000 gap system.
Sandancer said got out of a BTC short from yesterday for 22%, but this is not about the win, it's about following and trusting the new system. Place your trade size you're comfortable with, set the gap and walk away. A huge wave pump came, but I did not worry. I had a $3,000 gap, putting my emotions at ease, and sure enough the tide turned. I've also had some of my biggest wins since moving from Fibit to Bitunix using the new protocols. Thank you Oracle, this has totally changed how I deal with Bitcoin at these prices.
Yep.
Gone are days of B7 and the 1-minute chart, this is the new paradigm.
Yep. This is revolutionary.
Brandon said 42% BTC short. Went from minus 150%, wow, but had protection. 4K gap is unreal. Walk away.
So he was...
Didn't stress a bit.
He was down 100...
Closes in profit while golfing this morning, LOL.
He was down 150%, walked away, knew he had protection, separated his emotions from the dopamine of watching the screen, and sure enough, he made 42%. From being down 150%, you would have closed. You don't know. Now, here we go. Someone new.
Castle008 said I was here from the start and was fully focused. I'm new, this was my first proper trading experience. I went long to start. I was receiving your messages to go short, and my amateur brain couldn't figure out why short, it looked long to me.
Ooh.
Then I started looking at the numbers, not the candles, and realized I was FUD. I was begging for it to come back up so could close instantly. I only took a tiny hit cause I didn't think it was gonna make it. I longed right on the top of the fake hit, thinking yup, that's the move. Bad idea. Reading your posts live, I made myself figure out why we should be shorting here, then pulled the time charts for direction, and when coming out a bit and looking from a diff perspective, I could see clearly that the move was the short. Learned a lot from this. Ended up catching almost the entire first dip, plus 126%.
Wow.
Thank you for sharing.
Let me go directly to that and how he knew. Let me drop one more testimonial before we leave this room.
Loki said 73% BTC short, numbers over candles. Oh, nailed it again and again.
Yeah, so come here, everyone. This is where you want to check every day when you come in here. Get your 3-day pass, okay? Now, let me show you what happened yesterday. Yesterday morning on 9/5, we were pumping $113,000 Bitcoin. In my the old paradigm, you would think this is direction to long. I was focused here on the price. We know certain coordinates. We know what Bitcoin's going to do before it does whatever it's going to do. Whether long or short, we're ahead of it. Technical analysis is a study of the past. What we do is read the waves incoming and get right in front of them. Now, I knew that this was weakness. I said, look what's happening. What I was focused on was not the candles, the price. You see, 113,000 was struggling. After I put out this alert, we dropped $2,500. Everyone else was liquidated. I saved people. So let me show you a sample of what's in the daily trade updates. And I'm here all the time, nonstop. We know the times when Bitcoin's gonna pump and dump. We know how to set up the shield of protection. All of this you can learn for free. So let's go back down here. And what did I say that I seen at 113,000? And this was yesterday morning at 9:29, a known AM pump time. Speak.
Oracle said, okay, let me tell you what I see in that picture that none of you see. Look at the price, the 113,000. It's struggling, it's weak, it's low velocity, everybody's getting liquidated. Look at the bubbles, red and green, because they are guessing they are getting wiped out by the AM pump. They have no idea what to do. We are waiting here in ambush, watching the coordinates we have watched in the last few minutes since we hit 113,000. It's been weak, it's barely escaped the gravitational pull of 226. I do not long that bullshit. I wait, I hide, I'm the assassin. I am watching the number. I am where nobody else is looking except all of you, because I taught you the coordinates. Now when you look at this, you can clearly see that they are all fucking up, and at this very moment 113 is weak, and we are in the middle of the Bermuda Triangle of time zones. It is exactly 9:30 a.m. the stock market open. We know that there's a pump at this time. I bet you all those people that longed at the top get liquidated. Stay frosty. I hope this helped. If it did, post an emoji.
Okay, so here we go.
Oracle said, look at this, they have no idea by the candles. Even the 1 hour 113 to struggling. Look, it's at 112,800. If you were trading by candles, you would never see this, the weakness in the number. This is why we have evolved to trade by number. The candles are always lagging. All they are is a pen light in the darkness. The real indicators what's happening to the number.
Now here, the bigger the candle, the bigger the move, smaller the candle, weaker the move. So we could forecast it and see it coming before it happened. Remember, we were at 113,000. It was 9:30 a.m. Stock market open pump. We know this. Now, let's move faster into this and teach you more. If you stayed this long in this video, you want that free pass. You want to get in. The email is below. Do not fall for any fake oracles. Send a nice email. We are human beings, and we will let you in for a 3-day pass. After that, you decide what you want to do. Do you know what happened? Bitcoin moved so fast. Look, from 113,000, everybody who longed at 9:30 a.m. was wrecked. My people were saved. That's what he was talking about. That's how he made that 100 and something percent from being down and longing the top. And he flipped and realized what I was posting here. Here we go.
Oracle said this is why the old system didn't work anymore. Bitcoin moved faster than any candle could track it, so we have outpaced Bitcoin and are still able to get in front of it no matter what she does. We have the times pinned out, we have shields, and we know the behavior that nobody else knows.
It's a 1 hour
No
chart.
TA hole in the world can tell you this.
No TA hole.
I got here because I spent relentless hours, months, years just watching this and taking advantage of it over and over again. In the beginning I must have lost hundreds of thousands of dollars, but that was the cost of my education to get here. This is why you don't see me messing with altcoins, although some of you do very well with them. I'd rather be a specialist. I like to hunt the big game.
Look at this, from $113,000. We are talking minutes, people. This is 10:17 a.m. I started warning them all the way up here. It's the price. Nobody's seen it. At 9:37 a.m. we were pumping, okay? Over 113. I warned them, and then it happened. Everybody else that's not in the group?
Oracle said boom, they got smoked.
And then it was devastating all the way down. Look at this time. This was at 10:48 a.m. 1 hour later, a massive $3,000 move. We all shorted it together. So now I ask you, would you like to come in? 3-day pass, send an email, teamus_oracle@protonmail.com. It's linked right under this video, along with a link to Bitunex, the greatest exchange ever. We await your arrival. You will arrive right in the paid Legends group. Now, there's the Legends Assets room. You can see the old technology, okay, versus the walkaway and the new system made simple for everyone. And then I took what used to be my $3,000 consultation and I recorded it and upgraded it to the most advanced system there is. And I've dropped it in the Legends Consult room. It's a full video, private on YouTube, and it tells you exactly how to trade my way, step by step. Be a legend. Ask for the pass. Get rich or get wrecked. You're out there alone. We are legendary. You can see in this DTU room, I literally walk you through every step, what's happening in the moment. Why? Because I'm a real trader. I'm here all the time. It's not just some stupid call group with the occasional post. I'm in here with you. The 3-day pass is your answer. It's the future. Now, what I just did for everyone, what's in that Zoom, and you will now be entitled to access to free pop-up Zooms if you're in my group. So I taught them how the perfect entry is now irrelevant. The walkaway method, how you can do everything wrong and still win while living your life away from the screen. Why high leverage is your ally. The 86X anti-liquidation 3K gap blueprint to stay in the fight while others are liquidated. How and why we stagger our trades in, strategically entering with the 3K gap method to neutralize bad timing and chop, turn it into profit. Scale, never scale after the gap. We don't add to losers. Wallet management, cross leverage landmines. Why BTC over everything else? Velocity over the whole number. The evolution of leverage trading from $5,000 Bitcoin to $120,000 Bitcoin. I've been here. I've been the one. The trader's time paradox. How to silence the visual noise. You want a sample of that? Let's come here. Let's look at my screen here on this BitMEX, right? Hold on. When you look at it this way, it's chaos. Silence the visual noise. We don't trade in chaos. We are legends. Email me at the address below and get your free 3-day pass. Have a great day, everyone. Get rich, don't get wrecked. Nobody else will teach you this.